A toilet flange is the circular fitting that secures the toilet to the drain pipe and creates the mechanical and sealed connection to the waste system. The flange must sit at the correct height relative to the finished floor, because that position controls how well the wax or rubber seal compresses and prevents leaks. For an optimal seal place, the flange flush with the finished floor or up to 1/4 inch above it so the seal compresses evenly without being crushed. If you are lowering or raising floor height, add a flange extender ring or stacked extenders and pair them with a thick, wax-free rubber gasket so the seal keeps contact and resists deformation. When installing, make sure the flange is level and firmly anchored to the subfloor with corrosion-resistant screws and that the closet bolts are perpendicular and aligned with the toilet horn. This prevents rocking and uneven compression. Trim any excess flange material carefully with a saw if it interferes with the bowl base, and always test fit the toilet with the bolts loosely set before final torquing to check for gaps. For repairs, cut the old wax ring away completely and inspect the flange for cracks or warping. Replace a damaged flange rather than relying solely on extra wax or gaskets, because a broken flange cannot hold the toilet securely. When using stacked extenders, avoid more than 2 layers without engineered support, and use plumber-approved adhesives or bolts to prevent future separation. Common mistakes start with installing the flange too low below the finished floor, which causes undercompression of the seal and slow leaks at the base. Fix this by adding a properly sized extender and a compatible gasket. Another frequent issue is overcompressing the seal by setting the flange too far above the floor, which can distort or extrude wax seals and lead to leaks or uneven seating. Correct that by trimming the flange down or swapping to a slightly thinner gasket designed for raised installations. Finally, many people reuse the old wax ring or do not secure the flange to the subfloor, leading to future rocking and lost seals. Always remove old material. Inspect and replace the ring with a fresh, wax-free or wax product appropriate for your flange height, and firmly fasten the flange with new corrosion-resistant hardware. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and compare projects with clear job descriptions and community feedback. We connect contractors with work opportunities and host a discussion community where we all share practical tips, photos, and real-world experiences.